Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. This is a KTM 2019 SuperDuke 1219R. Oh, by the way, never mind me pointing this or that expecting voiceover later, which is this. I'm just going to ignore me. So this is the SuperDuke. I mean the SuperDuke. This bike has been my dream bike for almost 5 years now, and here we are. I'm very excited. No. Actually, I'm overwhelmed. I mean, how can I be? It's a SuperDuke, the SuperDuke. Okay, anyhow, let's see what this beast has. The engine is a 2-cylinder. It is 1301cc, which is a lot, huge. It produces 174 horsepower, I remember. If I'm wrong, just tell me. Which is calculated to 130 kilowatts, I guess. And 6-speed, of course. It has a slippery clutch, which is hydraulically actuated, which is nice. I love it. And it has WP front and rear suspensions, which are adjustable. Both front and rear brakes are, of course, Rambo. And etc. You know things. This is a great bike. Although this is very expensive, but I think it is worth every penny of it. I just love it. I'm going to install bar end meters, replacing the stock ones. They are KTM power parts, which means they break your bank, but as long as its quality is above any other aftermarket ones, I'm happy with it. The installation is pretty straightforward, nothing complicated and nothing difficult. But as we all know, there will be a problem. I'm going to install them upward, not downward. Simply because it gives me better visibility, which is kind of important when you ride your motorcycle on the road. To install them, you have to remove the bar end, which is not difficult at all. Oh, I didn't expect it to be that huge. Wow. Getting rid of the stock meter is also such an easy job. Just be careful not to scratch anything near the meter. And you can slide in. But there's a problem. Of course there's a problem, but it's easy to fix. As you try to install the other side, you can see that it's not the right direction. You have to unscrew here and connect it the other way so that it faces the right direction. It is a job, but I don't understand because this is a damn expensive project. But what can I do? Once you put them on the place, you need to adjust them. Jump on the bike, take a good look at it. That's it. You did it. Congratulations. I hope you live happily with your new bar end meters, because I am going to.